The other day, I made a video telling you about the very first Church of Satan in Nigeria and how it was allegedly destroyed by angry youth who believed the founder was becoming a bad influence to the community. And I found one of the members who were actually attending this church before it was destroyed. So I decided to invite him over and ask him some questions regarding why he decided to go to Church of Satan. And this is the conversation. Out of all the churches in Nigeria have a lot of churches. Out of all the churches in Nigeria, you chose to go to Church of Satan. Why?
You come into our country, things are difficult and everybody wants a place you go, and when you go there you see light. Light.
But a lot of people will disagree with you that Church of Satan is light. Most especially the people who are Christians. They believe that anything that has to do with Satan is darkness. Okay? And the only light that you can ever see is from the Most High God. Do you believe in the Most High God?
Yes, I believe in God.
Okay.
I believe in God because God created, even that Lucifer in question was created by God.
Okay.
So everything that comes from God is, I believe that there is light in it.
Okay. You just told me you went to Church of Satan to see light.
Yes.
And at the same time, you believe in God.
Yes.
So, what that is telling me is, were you forced to go to Church of Satan, or were you just tired of waiting for God? Then you decide to go and give it a try in Church of Satan.
Just like I said earlier, people go to a place where they see light. Okay. Some go to native doctor, some go to church, some go to, but he says you have to give something a try first.
Try.
Yes, before deciding on, when you go to a place that will better your life,
okay,
you see that place is light. So that is the reason why I decided to go to Church of Satan.
You said you have heard a lot of things about Church of Satan.
Yes.
And if I may ask, which of the Church of Satan did you hear a lot of things about? Is it the one that was opened in Ahafia, which is the one you wanted to go to?
Or the one I have gone to.
Okay, the one you have gone to. Okay. So, is it the one in Ahafia that you have heard a lot of story about, or is it the ones outside Nigeria or outside Africa? Because let me know, just let me know.
Well, in Nigeria, we have been hearing a lot of things about celebrities. When you see a celebrity, hear about this or that, you will see that they will tell you that person belongs to the Church of Satan. So when the one at Ahafia was open, so many people started going because of this fame. And because of this fame. And so when I heard about it, I decided to go and see myself.
When you decided to go to this church, were you aware that it is Church of Satan?
Yes, of course.
It is Church of Satan.
Yes, if people will go to native doctor for something, so anywhere you go, just like I said.
Okay, when you were going there, forget about saying light. I want you to be more open now. What is the main thing that you were looking for that led you to Church of Satan?
Because I got tired of life, because things were so difficult for me. So I decided when I heard that when you go to this church, you'll be rich, you'll be this, without thinking maybe there is anything you will do, I decided to go so that there will be money with me.
So it was money?
Yeah, it was money.
So do you think that every other person that comes there were coming there because they wanted money?
No. There must be something in that person's mind that will make him or her to go to that church. So just like I said myself, it's because of money. I needed money. That's why I went to Church of Satan.
If I may ask you, how many times did you go to the Church of Satan?
I've gone there once.
Once?
Yeah, once.
So were you able to see the light that you were looking for?
No.
Okay, you didn't see the light?
Yes.
Why?
because I got there, I discovered that so many people attending the church, they are not rich, they are not fame, they are not, So I didn't see politicians or any musicians or people that look like them, because these people are the one that attracted me to it. So when I got there, I saw so many things, so I decided not to.
So when you were going there, I'm just trying to understand what you're saying. When you were going there, you were going there to be like a politician or like a musician, or because you said politicians, musicians are the people that attracted you because you heard that these are the people that belongs to the Church of Satan.
Yes.
And you were expecting to see them there.
Yes.
And when you get there, you didn't see any.
Yes.
And what type of people did you see there?
People just like me.
People just like you.
Just like me, who are desperate to be rich.
Okay.
They are the ones that I saw there. So when I got there, I decided not to, because I love giving something a try. So I decided not to, because those people cannot give me what I want in association or taking me to a place I needed to be. I wanted to be famous.
Okay.
I needed money and to be connected. You go to a place whereby there are rich people, there are famous people, there are people that are connected. Your wish is to go there and make friends with them and also be famous and be connected.
Okay.
And to be rich, because it says when you meet a rich person, definitely you are connected. So I decided to go there and make friends with those people that are famous, so that at the end of everything I'll be connected. But getting to that place, I saw that no one can give me the thing that make me to be going there. So I decided to stop.
To stop?
Yeah.
Okay, you know that the church is destroyed now?
Yes, I know. After a while, after a month, I stopped going there. So because it's in my local government.
Okay, it is in your local government?
Yes, it's in my government.
Do you know the founder very well?
They call him Father.
Father.
Yes.
That is what is very popular.
That is the
popularly known.
Yeah.
And I heard that a lot of people were scared of that man, that father. The whole village is afraid of him because they're scared that he has some forces, some powers, and everybody is scared to approach him or to even talk against that his religion. Is that true?
Yes, it's true.
Okay.
It takes only the government and the youth intervention to destroy it. Because if it were to be the villagers there, nobody can come and face him face to face, or man and man.
Okay, nobody can just come to face.
Nobody.
Everybody was scared of him.
Yes, because they think he at the end
possesses
of everything, the man can destroy the family or destroy the man, the person
with the powers that he possesses.
Yes.
Okay, now I want to ask you this straightforward question, and I want you to be very honest with me.
Okay.
Currently, the church does not exist anymore.
Mm-hmm.
Are you happy that this church has been destroyed and is no more in existence?
Yes, I am happy, because I believe that the church has come to influence the youth in a bad way, not in a good way. Because when you are hearing something, you just want to throw. Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm happy because it's destroyed, because they wanted to possess my mind towards something that is not true.
Okay. So let me ask you again. After the founder was arrested, the main church of Satan, they denounced knowing this man. They said this man does not work with them. He is not affiliated to Church of Satan. So whatever he is practicing, he is on his own. No, so that means maybe you went to the wrong Church of Satan. And I want you to be 100% honest with me now. If you have opportunity to go to the main Church of Satan, would you go?
Because I attended an Assemblies that is called Church of Satan. The impression I got there would not allow me to attend any other Church of Satan, because I believe that all of them are just one. There's no distance about it.
Okay, so if you have the opportunity, if the main Church of Satan invite you, you don't want to go because of the impression you got from the one you already visited?
Yes.
What other places, apart from this Church of Satan, have you visited in your quest to get money and fame? What other places or churches have you visited just to get money and fame?
I have gone to different churches. I have gone to Grey Message. I have gone
Grey
to
Message.
Grey Message, yes.
Okay.
I have gone to church like Assemblies of God Church, Presbyterian Church. But I know church is church because people are going to church.
Okay.
So whether you are rich or poor, you go to church.
Okay.
But this thing is, what people are finding difficult is to go to a secret place. Place they believe that is a secret place.
Okay.
But I have been going to church.
Okay, so you have been going to church.
Yes.
And you just went to Church of Satan in order to see if you can get that in which you are desperately looking for, which is money and fame, as according to you. And what I'm trying to ask you is, apart from Church of Satan, like you said, secret places, which other secret place have you been to in your quest to find this money and fame?
Just like I said earlier on, I told you that I went to Grey Message.
Grey Message.
That Grey Message, they are not practicing Bible. They have their own book, which is called Grey Message. That is called Grey Message. And that book is what they read. At least I have been there like 4 years.
Okay, this interview is not about Grey Message, but let me ask you, did you go to the Grey Message to find money and fame as well?
No.
So what did you go there to do?
I went there because the people I was living with, that is the church or the place which they are attending. So
are they rich?
They are rich, of course.
Are they famous?
Yes, they are famous.
Okay, so
but it's not Grey Message that make them famous or rich.
Okay, but when you went there, you didn't have the intention to make money from there, get the connection from there.
Not connection and fame.
Okay, what are other places you are planning to go in the future in your quest to get this money and fame?
Well, for now, I don't know, but I believe that with Almighty God, all things are possible.
So now you have come down to Almighty God.
Yes.
Yes, okay. After going to try the devil, the Lucifer, you now know that it is Almighty God.
Yes,
no matter what
it
is God.
everything.
It is God that gives everything.
Everything.
So finally, you still came down to glorify the name of God.
Yes.
And that is a miracle. And I think the youth of Ohafia should be praised for bringing down that church. Maybe if they didn't bring it down, maybe you would have gone again and again and again to try to get the money and fame. And I am happy that at the end of the day, you ended the word with saying you believe that Almighty God can do anything. So I believe that currently you are waiting on Almighty God to give you that in which you desire, right?
Yes.
I hope that you will find that which you are seeking for. I am happy that you were able to talk to us today. And for those of you who are watching us right now, this is someone's first-hand encounter and the main reason why they chose to visit the Church of Satan. I know that a lot of people have problems. I know that very well. And people often look for places to find solution to their problem. And that is what leads a lot of people to different places in their quest to find solution. I have read an article that says the founder of this Church of Satan used to lure some youths to the church by giving them motorcycle, whereby they can use the motorcycle to go and drive and make money. At the end of the day, he's trying to lure them to come and believe in his own ideology, which is the ideology of the Church of Satan. The reason why they destroyed this Church of Satan, they said the person, the founder of this church, is bringing a bad influence to the community. He's, at the end of the day, after looking through different places, he still came down to God and he's glorifying the name of God. And if you are out there right now, maybe you're facing one or two troubles that is making you to want to give up or trying to go to somewhere which you know it is not right, I would think this video will teach you something right now, that God is the only answer to all that problem which you are having now. And when the time of God comes, nobody can stop what God has written for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy the kind of video that I'm making, click the red subscribe button around here in your screen and turn on the bell notification that will come up next, so that you will be the very first person to know when I post my next video. So thank you so much for talking with me, and thank you.
You're welcome.